In today's video, we are back with the freshest money-making strategy in the market today. With this simple method, you're going to be able to make $30 in just a minute. Yep, you heard that right. $30 in only 1 minute. Now, today's method will not require of you any experience or any skills. So even if you're just a beginner, if it's just your first time doing anything at all related to making money online, you don't even need to worry because you're still going to be able to make money online with today's method. Today's method will also pay you through PayPal, so it's a method that is going to be available worldwide so that everyone else has an opportunity to earn money. Now, you can use this method from anywhere around the world, and you can also cash out your earnings directly into your PayPal account anytime and anywhere. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is to go onto the website. Now, the website for today is a software, and it is an app tester website. And the way it basically works is that the software website and the app developers, they come to this website and they ask for people to test their products, and then they're going to share their opinion or their review. Now, this is going to help them make sure that before they launch their product, it is working fine, it is working good, there are no bugs, there are no ticks. Now, those people that test the software and they give their feedback are then paid for their time and their opinion, and also by following the steps in our video for today, you are going to be that person who's going to get paid. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired result. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, right now, you're probably thinking, how are you going to be able to test the software if you don't know any coding? Well, the thing is that they don't actually need you to check the code. They just need you to take a look at how the app works and let them know if you like it, if you would suggest it to a friend, or if you think that there should be changes made. So just very simple things, very surface things, Very easy, correct? So you're just going to answer like a few easy questions, and then you're going to make like $1,000 each month. So the name of our website for today is called Userlytics, like analytics. Now, don't get confused with lyrics, okay? It's lytics. So as soon as you're on the website, and you're going to see that it says test your websites, mobile apps, and even your competitor assets. Now, these are just some of the things that you'll have to do as a tester here. So you scroll down and you're going to see all of the companies and corporations that actually uses Userlytics. So some of these are some of the biggest companies in the entire world, like Microsoft, Canon, L'Oreal, Dell, and even Dunkin' Donuts have already collaborated with today's website. So yeah. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So, to get started, you're going to have to sign up as a tester, of course. And to be able to do that, all you have to do is click on the tester sign up button on the top right corner of your screen. And as soon as you click on that, you're going to be brought to the sign up page, where you're going to have to provide your email address in order to make yourself an account. You can also see that all the steps have been listed down, telling you how it works. So the first thing is that you register and you earn money. and then you're gonna have to register your account, and that's exactly what we are doing right now. Second step is you're gonna interact with a web or a mobile app. So this step is the real money making step, and the more apps and websites you test, the more money you can earn. It's as simple as that. And now that we are on the topic of getting paid, the third step tells you how that works. So as soon as your test results have been approved, and depending on the user test project, you can get paid $5, $10, $15, or $20, or other amounts. Now, some of the projects, they pay you as much as $90. Imagine $90 for a review that's going to take you less than 2 minutes. Now, that is just incredible, and you can obviously make a lot of money this way. So Userlytics is also a brand new website, so it's not as overused as other tester websites, which means that it is a great new opportunity for everybody who is watching our video today. So if you scroll down a bit, you're gonna see the sign up box, and over here is where you're gonna provide your email address, where you're gonna sign up with, and then after that you're gonna check the boxes under this field. Then you're gonna confirm that you're 16 or older. Then you're gonna have to agree to the terms of use, the policy, the data transfer policy, and the information security policy. And once you've completed that, just click on the sign up button. The confirmation email will be sent to your email address. So the email is also going to include the option to set up a password. So before we continue on to that, we're going to take a look at how the software testing will actually be done. So you're going to scroll a bit down, and you're going to see it says how it works. And in this part, it's going to tell you that all you need to do is complete a series of tasks and instructions while you interact with the prototype. So this basically means that you're not going to have to do any of the stuff yourself. The developers will give you a list of everything that you're going to have to do. And if you were worried about how you're going to test the software, that should take, all of those worries away. So every single step is going to be explained, and you literally don't have to worry about a thing. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So if you take a look over here, there is a section that's going to say which countries in particular you can test from, and you're going to see that it says that Userlytics is a worldwide provider and has clients from all over Europe and North America. Now, since this is a brand new testing service, obviously the client list is growing really fast, and so the faster that you get started, the more money you can earn. Now, our final step is setting up your password and logging in. And to set up your password, you just have to go back to the confirmation email that was sent to your email, and then click on the confirmation link that is on the email. And then the link is going to bring you to the registration page, and from there you can enter some more information to finally complete your account. And once you've completed all of that, all you have to do is go back to the main page of Userlytics, and then you're going to click on the tester login button on the upper right corner. You're going to type in your login details, and just like that, your account is created. You are logged in, and now you can finally start earning money. And if you are wondering if it's possible for you to earn money from your phone, then yes, the answer is yes, yes, yes. You can do this from your phone as well. You can download it through your phone, whether it is an iOS device or an Android device. It works on both, so it's super duper convenient. There are no specific requirements, although there are some things that are different from the computer and the phones, so you just have to watch out for those. And that is basically it. So what are you waiting for? You can start making your money online, and we hope you guys enjoyed that. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.